Twistle, this is very important to me. Please understand. This was Chris Gardner in the film Pursuit of Happiness. Now, Chris Gardner had got inside in a cab with Mr. Twistle to pitch himself for an internship that he had applied for. But Mr. Twistle was distracted with his Rubik Cube. His pitch barely landed, and when the cab stopped, he had absolutely no money to give to the cab driver. So he decided to get off and run at one of the red lights. When he got out, he took his bone density scanner, said sorry to the cab driver, and started running as fast as he could. He knew what he owed, even when he could not pay that money to the cab driver. And that is the beginning of financial accountability. The clarity, even in the hardest times, makes difficult decisions possible. Today's youth of India is buying coffee at a five-star cafe and thinking of it as connection. Or they are buying concert tickets and thinking of it as an experience even when they are struggling financially. Now, these financial decisions are driven by emotions that they do not understand yet. Chris Gardner was running away from the cab driver, while today's youth is running towards loans. Financial accountability does not come from lectures or some more rules, it comes from awareness. And the habit that a teenager adopts at the age of 13, that is what they display at the age of 21 when they get money in their hands. So, if you have a teenager and you would want them to learn about financial skills and emotional awareness, go to the website and book a call now.